Welcome back to the next class, children. Here, as we have seen that previously about the multiplications, based on that the next activities are continued here. How the next activities are continued, we will see this. How many cats? Some of Gayatri's cats were playing in a box. When she tried to count, all she could see were legs. She counted 28 legs. How many cats are there in a box? So as we have seen the tables and the multiplications in the previous class, like that only, by seeing itself we have to have a guess here, yeah, mind calculation. Or other than that, the using the tables, help of your tables also you can find out here. So be careful, children. Tables are very important for you people in mathematics. Wherever you need a calculations, or if you are finding for the more number of quantities. For example, if you have a one pen, 5 rupees. For 10 pens, how much? How to find out? So for these kind of problems, situations, you need is about the tables here. So you have to be clear here. Such kind of examples are given here. We will see that examples one by one. So it is given an example of the cat here. They have shown the legs here. She has to count all the legs and she has to identify that how many cats were there. Okay. So you can see that. For example, as a cat, you can see how many legs are there? 4 are there. So when she counted all the legs in given the picture, it was 28. If one cat is 4 legs, so 28 legs are there. So how many cats are there? You have to find out. So how many legs? 4. How many cats? 1. One cat, 4 legs. Two cat, 8 legs. So 12 when you'll get, that is 1 fourza. So 2 fourza, next number is 3. 3 fourza, what you'll get? 12, right? So whatever the first one you got, that you have to multiply to the next numbers here, what you'll get in a blue boxes. So you'll get the answers here. So 12 is given. So 12 legs when you'll get, that is 3 fours are 12, or else you make it as a 12 divided by 4. So if you divide 12 by 4, that is 3 you will get, because as a division you will get 4 3s are 12 there. So 3 is a quotient, right? So 3 will get the answer here. Like that you only have to up to the 28 legs you have to find out. We will see the table here. So in this way it is given. So you can see here it is given in this way. Number of legs of one cat is equal to 1 into 4 is 4. Number of legs of two cats is 2 into 4 is 8. So like that only, if the next step is 3 4s are 12. So continuing in the same manner, what we can get, easily fill the given table. We have to fill the table. So you can see how many legs, how many cats. So up to the third one it is already known that. So you have to write here 3 and here also write 3. Okay, for 28 we have to find out. So next for 4 cats, 4 fours are 16 legs. 5 cats, 5 fours are 20 legs. 6 cats, so 1 cat, 4 legs. Like that, 6 cats, so 6 into 4, 24 legs. 7 cats, 4 legs, that is 7 into 4, 28. So 8 cats, 8 into 4 is 32. So when you, but what we have to find out? Up to 28. So if you find out 7 fours are 28. So for 28 legs, how many cats are there? 7 cats are there. So from the table we can see that 7 cats have a 28 legs. So write here 28 legs. Here for 12 legs it is 3. So write there 3. So the next example is given. As we have seen the cat, the next example is given based on the hen there. That is chicken. Okay, it is given. You can see the example in the textbook there. Okay, so for this, how many legs are there? 2 are there. So what is the question given here? Billu has kept his chickens in a box. He counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? Where in previous for 4 legs we used to do. Now we have to do it for a 2 legs. That is, we know that chicken has a 2 legs. That is hen. Hen has a 2 legs. Total number of legs of the hens counted by the Billu is 28 number of hens kept in the box. So that is 28 divided by 2 is 14. Because as we know that 2 legs are there, so if we make it as a division, that 28 divided by 2 is 14, or else the other than that by box method also you can do that. How it is? Box method means this one, table method, sorry, not box, it is a table method. So how many legs? Two, one hen, two legs, two hen, four legs, three hen, six legs. Like that only you can make it. 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14. So up to where? Till you get 28 you have to make. So when you will get that, that is 14 2s are 28. So up to 14 you have to do. So how many? For 28 legs, how many hens are there? 48 hens are there. So you can see there 28 legs is equal to 14. One hen is equal to 2 legs. So 2 legs is equal to 1 hen, like that. So if you do that, if you divide, so if 1 is 2, so 28 divided by 2 you do that. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are, right? 14. So as we already seen that 14 twos are 28. So 14 chickens are there or 14 hens are there. So 28 legs is for 14 hens. So you can see that and you can do the problem there. So like that only one more example is given. Based on what? Based on the calendar, means the days and the weeks. So we will see the question first. As we already know that in the textbook it is given there. So what is the question given? Leela has not gone to school for 21 days. For how many weeks was she away from the school? So for 21 days she has not gone for the school. So that 21 days they are asking you to give the answer in weeks. As we already know that 1 week how many days? 7 are there. You can see there, right, from Sunday to Saturday. So 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? You know that. So 1 week is 7 days. So 21 days means how many weeks is required? How many days it will get? We will see here. Number of days in a 1 week is 7. Leela has not gone to school for 21 days. So number of week in 7 days, one number of week is in 21 days is, that is you have to divide it. So 21 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7. If you do that, what you'll get? 3. So how that? Here this is the calculation method is division. But by table we will see here. So see, in the division method you can do it in this way. Working way you can do it in this way. So 7 3s are 21. Remainder you got 0. So the quotient what is that? That is the answer here. So the table, thus Leela was away from the school for 3 weeks. That is, this is 3. And see, 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks. Because you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So these 3 lines, if you count the boxes, you'll get 21. So that is 7 days is 1 week. So 3 weeks is 21 days. In a box method also you can do it. You can find out. So as we know that 1 week is 7 days. You know that. Like that if you make a table and complete it. So like that how many days is equal to 7 days equal to 1 week. So like that how many days you'll get as 2 weeks. How many days you'll get as 3 weeks. Like that you find out here and you write this. Okay children. You complete this table of yourself. Now coming to the next one, it is jumping animals. You people will playing no in your childhood, like going out and jumping from one number to the other number, or wherever if you see some boxes, right, or some patterns, right. What happens? You will jump and you will play, have a game there like that only. Here also was a given an example for a frog and rabbit. How those are having their fun and play. We will see here. Jumping animals. Do you remember the jumping animals of class 3? I hope you people remember that, right? As we already seen in your class 3, the same thing is given in continuation of this class 4. A frog jumps 3 steps at a time starting from 0. Here it's sitting on the 0, and when it jumps to the number 3. Means from 1, 2, 3. So 3 steps, right? For one jump, it is taking a 3 steps. For 2 jumps, 6 steps, right? So 1 jump is 3 1 3s are. So 2 jump 2 3s are 6. 3 jump 3 3s are 9. Like that it is taking that. So up to where you have to find out? Count the jumps he takes to reach 27. So from starting to the 0 he reaches to the 27. Till he reaches 27, how many steps he is taking there? You have to see there. So 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, so on. If you see that 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, so 9 3s are 27. So when he reaches 27 number, how many jumps? 9 jumps he will take. So you have to write there 9 jumps. Okay. A number of jumps taken by the frog to cover the 3 steps is 1. So number of jumps taken by the frog to cover 27 steps, it is 9. Other than that, the division method, if you see that 27 divided by 3, if you do that in a rough column, you do here the division method as I showed you in the previous one, writing the 27 inside, 3 outside, and dividing and finding the remainder is 0, quotient is 9. Like that you can try this. Okay. So like that only, one more example they have given. He has taken dash jumps if he is at 36. So 27 you got to know the answer is 9. So when he reaches to 36 here, so what is the answer? They have to find out. So increase that number. So after 9 you come to the 10. So 10 3s are 30, 11 3s are 33, 12 3s are 36. So when he reaches 36, how many jumps? It is 12 jumps. So right here 12. Okay, I've shown the examples for the 9 jumps and 12 jumps, that is 27 and 36. Now if he is at 42, he has to take a dash jumps. So when he reaches to 42, how many jumps he has to take? This, make a box and you find the answer. Instead of making a box, you can continue here itself. Okay, the answer solution I'll show you here. You can do it of your own yourself. So this is the answer for the 36 steps, 36 number, that is 12 jumps. So next you can see there in this way solution is given. For next how many jumps it is shown here, but in the table you have to do it on your own. Okay. As that some 2 examples will be, I'll be showing you the other 1 example, you can do it on your own, such that you also will be clear about that how these examples are taken here. So next example is given with the rabbit there. Till now we have seen about the frog, no? Starting from 0, a rabbit jumps 5 steps at a time. As in the previous one, he used to take a 3 steps, no? Here rabbit is taking a 5 steps. For 1 jump, he is taking 5 steps. There frog, 1 jump, 3 steps. But rabbit, 1 jump, 5 step. In how many jumps does he reaches to 25? So you have to find out. So number of jumps taken by the rabbit to cover 5 steps is 1, right? 1 jump. Number of jumps taken by the frog to cover, sorry, it is a rabbit here. 25 steps is 25 divided by 5 is 5. So you got a 5. That one is a calculation method by a division also it is done. Other than that, you can see that it is done by the table method also. If you see that number of steps, so number of jumps, 1 jump is 5 steps, 2 jump 10. So 3 15, that is 2 5s are 3 5s are 4 5s are. So up to 25 how much? It is 5 jumps, that is 5 5s are 25. So to reach 25, how many jumps he took? He took 25 jumps, right? Like that only to reach a dash number. So by taking 8 jump, at what number he is to reach? So by taking 8 jump, what? That is 8 5, because here 5 5s are 25. So 8 jumps means 8 5s are 5 jumps. 5 into 5 is 25, right? So 8 jumps, 8 into 5. So what number he will reach? He will reach to the 40. See this. You can see here, right? So after that 8 5s are 40. Like that only dash he needs jumps to reach 55, right? So to reach 25 it is 5. To reach the number given is 40, that is 8. And for to reach 55, how many jumps? You identify yourself, make a table and continue here itself. How many it will become? So coming to the next here, we have a practice time. That is, the numbers are given here. You have to divide it. One example I'll show you. Other you can try yourself. See, in this way division method is given. This will be called as a division method. Example what I have taken is, it is in this way I have taken 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. How? By working. You have to work in this way here. These all also you have to do it on your own. This example questions are given in your textbook, you can refer it. So 7 3s are 21. So when you get 21 in 7 tables, you have to find out, that is 3. So what is this names are called, I'll show you. So 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 21 is 0, right? So division terms names are given here. I'll show you that 21. This is a question 21, that is called as a division, which is written inside the here the column here, right? So that is taken with the letter capital D. And next is 7, because 21 is divided by 7, so that will be called as a divisor. Okay, written by small d, denoted by small d. So that is written with the outside the bracket, the column here. And next quotient, the 3, whatever the 7 3s you multiply and you'll write, no, that upper one, or it will be written here also. So that 3 will be known as a quotient and denoted by Q. And after subtracting at the final answer, what is left? No, that answer will be known as a 0. That answer is known as remainder, denoted by R, right? So you also, I shown you one example here. These examples you try to do yourself in your maths homework book, and wherever you will get the answers, no, after getting the answers, mention those answers in this formation. Dividend in the first example, what is 28? 28 is dividend. What is 2? Divisor. Answer what you will find, that is quotient. And last remainder, what is that? That you have to write here. Okay. Like this, how I made this 4 steps now. For each one example, you have to make these 4 steps and you have to write the answers. Thank you children. We will continue in the next class.